Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into the Skull Shaver Pitbull Platinum Pro, a head shaver designed for men who want an effortless, efficient shave. If you're someone who prefers a clean, bald look or just likes to keep things neat, this shaver promises to make your grooming routine much easier. Let's break down the features, performance, and overall experience. The Pitbull Platinum Pro is engineered with an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand, providing full control as you shave your head or face. It's designed to reach even those tricky areas with ease, making shaving less of a chore and more of a smooth process. But what sets this shaver apart? Let's start with the blades. It boasts Pro Blade technology, using high-quality Japanese stainless steel blades. Designed specifically for bald head shavers, this gives you a close, clean, and safe shave every time, minimizing irritation and reducing the risk of nicks. One of the standout features is its wet and dry shaving capabilities. With an IPX5 water-resistant rating, you can use it in the shower or on the go, whether you prefer to shave dry or with foam. This versatility is perfect for men who are always on the move or like to multitask during their morning routine. In terms of battery life, this shaver is equipped with a 1400 mAh lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 90 minutes of cordless shaving. That's plenty of time for a thorough shave, and it's especially convenient for those of us who don't want to be tied to an outlet during our grooming sessions. It's also ideal for travel, with a smart travel lock to prevent any accidental activation, which is a must if you're tossing it into your gym bag or suitcase. So, how does it perform? From my experience, it was incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. The ergonomic handle really makes a difference. It feels natural and comfortable, even when you're shaving awkward angles. The Pro Blade technology lived up to its promise, delivering a smooth shave without causing irritation. Whether I was using it in the shower or dry, it performed efficiently. However, I did notice that the blades require regular cleaning to maintain peak performance, especially after wet use. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ergonomic design really enhances the shaving experience. It's intuitive and feels comfortable in your hand, making the whole process effortless. The wet and dry shaving feature is a huge win, especially for anyone who likes to shave in the shower. Plus, the 90-minute battery life is more than enough for several uses, and the travel lock and hard travel case are nice touches for on-the-go users. On the flip side, while the shaver is designed to be powerful, I found that it doesn't always get as close a shave as a traditional razor, especially for those with coarser hair. It's more about convenience than achieving a super close, barbershop-style shave. Additionally, the cleaning process can be a bit tedious if you're using it with foam or gel. This isn't a shaver that you can just rinse off and be done with. You'll need to give it a thorough clean afterward to keep it running optimally. In terms of value for money, the Pitbull Platinum Pro sits at a higher price point compared to other electric razors. However, it justifies this cost with its ergonomic design, versatility, wet-dry use, and long battery life. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who values convenience, this shaver can absolutely be worth the investment. If you're on a tighter budget though, there are more affordable options that offer a solid shave, but may lack the high-end features that come with this model. When comparing it to other products in the market, the Pitbull Platinum Pro stands out in terms of its premium blade quality and versatility, particularly for men who need a shaver that can handle both wet and dry shaving. Brands like Philips and Braun offer competing models at a lower price, but you'll be compromising on some of the premium features like the ergonomic design and travel-friendly features. The build quality of the Pitbull Platinum Pro is top-notch. The ergonomic handle and durable materials make it feel like a well-crafted product. The hard travel case is another thoughtful addition, ensuring the shaver stays protected during transport. In terms of longevity, with proper care, the Pitbull Platinum Pro should hold up well over time, especially given its water-resistant design. I haven't had direct interaction with the brand's customer service, but from what I've read, Skull Shaver is generally well regarded for providing quick responses and helpful solutions if any issues arise. For those looking for alternatives, while the Pitbull Platinum Pro offers excellent features, you might find more budget-friendly options in the market. The Philips Norelco One Blade is a solid choice if you want something versatile, but at a lower price point. It may not offer the same premium feel as the Pitbull, but it's still an excellent performer for those who don't need all the extra features. So what's the final verdict? The Skull Shaver Pitbull Platinum Pro is a well-designed, high-performance head shaver with premium features that cater to those who prioritize convenience and efficiency. If you're looking for a quick, close shave with the flexibility of wet and dry use, this is an excellent choice. However, if you're after a super close shave or are on a tight budget, you may want to explore other options. Overall, this product is perfect for men who are always on the go or want a no-fuss shaving experience. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.